Hello, this is Forrest with ForrestBuysHouses.com, and today I want to talk about how we buy houses in Henrico, Virginia. So we buy houses all over Henrico, in the east end and the west end and the north side, down by the river. Pretty houses, ugly houses, all kinds of houses, problem houses, you name it. We've just about bought it. This is a full-time business for us. We are located just north of Henrico, right at the Henrico-Hanover line, and we provide real estate solutions for people with real estate problems. So if you need to sell your house fast and you need a professional to help you through this process, no matter what your situation is, you need to go to our website at ForrestBuysHouses.com or call us on the number on this video or call us on the number on the website, and we will set an appointment up with you and we will come and help you solve your real estate problems, okay? Thank you very much for watching this video. I know your time is valuable and I appreciate you spending this minute listening to how we can solve your problems. Have a great day.